Is it time to buy or sell HCW Biologics stock? In this video, we will explore HCW Biologics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, tap the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of August, 2025, our system has ranked HCW Biologics as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 32.44% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 60.75% to negative 32.44%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 39.04%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% and 265.99% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $20.31. Our latest daily update for HCW Biologics focuses on significant movements in HCW Biologics Inc. stock price on Monday, with fluctuations of 50% between the high and low points. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of August, 2025, the HCW Biologics Inc. stock price rose by 60.82%, climbing from $3.45 to $5.55. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 50%, with a day low of $4.90 and a day high of $7.35. Although the price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 19.61% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume has increased on the last day, alongside the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 87 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, leading to a total of 87 million shares bought and sold for approximately $485.56 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $100.80, while the lowest price was $2.77. Currently, the price is 94.49%, or $95.25, below the 52-week high, and 95.80%, or $126.45, below the all-time high reached on the 5th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $132. HCWB is experiencing significant gains today, driven by an impressive product update and a substantial increase in trading volume, with session volume around 10.8 million compared to a typical daily average of approximately 132,000. This surge follows the company's announcement of a next-generation cancer immunotherapy platform and the successful IND-enabling results of pembrolizumab-based second-generation candidates against solid tumors. Management also highlighted an upcoming public presentation in Fort Lauderdale on September 12th, which presents a near-term data catalyst for investors. Recent corporate achievements enhanced the narrative. The second quarter financials revealed an upfront license payment of $7 million. The company regained compliance with NASDAQ in June, and prior preclinical successes with multispecific T-cell engagers and HCW 9206 indicate a robust pipeline. However, there are some offsets to consider, including a follow-on offering in May that, while providing additional capital, also diluted shares, and a 1-for-40 reverse stock split earlier this year. In the short term, anticipate ongoing volatility. The market is responding to today's announcements as a positive trigger that may elevate the stock leading up to the September presentation. Looking ahead, successful clinical development or strategic partnerships could significantly enhance HCWB's valuation. Nonetheless, the challenges of commercialization, regulatory risks, and financing requirements create an outlook that remains binary and characterized by high risk and high reward. Analysts have assigned HCW Biologics stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. And the following signals have been identified for HCW Biologics. The stock of HCW Biologics Incorporated presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels around $3.91 and $4.30. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 67.67%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 51 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for HCW Biologics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.50 and $4.47. There is a natural risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this instance, HCW Biologics Inc. finds support just below today's level at $4.50. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.47 and $4.22. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.45 between its high and low prices, representing a 50% change. Over the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 18.58%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for HCW Biologics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through tough times, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may signal insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HCW Biologics. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HCW Biologics is at $5.58. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, HCW Biologics encounters its first support level at $4.50. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HCW Biologics from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 16th of May, 2025, when Wang Hingxi conducted an insider purchase of 8,054 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.34, reflecting a decline of 3.72%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal triggered by a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is HCW Biologics stock a good buy? HCW Biologics Inc. presents several positive signals, yet we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it is better considered a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has recently been upgraded from a strong sell to a hold candidate. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of August, we anticipate HCW Biologics will open higher by approximately 38 cents and begin trading at $5.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.